Kia Ghosh, spokesperson of the BJP, running a bit late, will be joining us in just a bit. Tausifur Rahman, spokesperson of the TMC, Arvind Kumar Jain, former DGP Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Jain, before I go to the politicians, I want to come to you. As a former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, as someone who's spent long years in the police service, I want to ask you, when you see a state government and a state police so reluctant to hand over someone to the CBI, what does it indicate to you?
It simply indicates that they want to hide something. They want to save Shahjahan Sheikh and his gang, his brother, for the atrocities which he has committed over the women of Sandeshkhali. Check dams used to be breached, and seawater used to be allowed inside the fertile lands, so that land becomes barren, and it will have to be handed over for fisheries. All these atrocities, they are absolutely unheard of in 2024. I can't imagine a state like this in which such atrocities are taking place. And today, ladies came forward and met a prime minister and told him about the atrocities which have been committed on them in Sandeshkhali. In my opinion, suspension is just a ruse and nothing else. The government is trying to save him right from day one. That's why it took 55 days to arrest this man.
So, Mr. Jain, you are very clear as a former police officer with no affiliation either to the BJP or the Congress, to the TMC, as a neutral observer, that the government has something to hide, which is why they don't want to hand over Shahjahan Sheikh to the CBI. Tausifur Rahman, that is the impression all of us have. And the question is, why are you trying to shield him and protect him? Because that is exactly the impression that has gone out.
Yeah, see, first of all, I would want to clarify myself that yes, we have a reservation. We have our own perspective against CD and CBI, because the kind of pace they investigate things and they want to roll down their own agenda because they have become the mouthpiece of BJP, I understand. We don't believe in CBI and ED. And of course, we have nothing to hide in the investigation. Since 7th Feb, 25th Feb and 28th Feb, we are there with the court, we are there with the law. We never said that we are going to hide Sheikh Shahjahan, whether he's absconding from day one. We are the one who wanted to take out Sheikh Shahjahan. We are the one who wanted to investigate everything. And whatever Narendra Modi says, it doesn't matter at all, because the people of Bengal knows how much he lies. Because when he talked about Nari Shakti, he is the one who was going to give he already gave the ticket. His name was pronounced Pavanji from Asansol, जिन्होंने कहा था Bengali Mal. So you are talking about Nari Shakti giving ticket to such people, and yes, Sheikh Shahjahan is arrested. We had our own reservation that we wanted this case and investigation to roll out quickly in Supreme Court. Not to go on that case where BJP will take mileage, BJP will have a cash on it. We didn't want it to have that. And what is the problem? If we want to take this case to Supreme Court, we have a democracy. We can do whatever we want to until and unless if it's under the law. We are not behind the law, we are not beside the law, we are not above the law. But CBI क्या कर रही है?
Do you have the right to approach the Supreme Court? Yes, you have the right to approach the Supreme Court to say कि हमारा बंगाल का CID ही रखेगा Sheikh Shahjahan को. We will not hand him over to the CBI. The fact is that the Supreme Court also saw there was no merit in your argument for an early hearing, and they have turned you away. They have showed you the door. I am asking you, why do you want to shield him? Why do you not want to hand him over? The impression is, and to any person, any citizen who is watching, is the TMC has something to hide. क्योंकि ये Sheikh Shahjahan बोल रहे हैं, but all this illegal fisheries business, all this land grab, etc., पैसा सीधा ऊपर तक जाता है.
Yeah, who arrested Sheikh Shahjahan? The Bengal Police arrested Shahjahan within 72
After
hours.
56 days.
The Bengal Congress has also suspended Sheikh Shahjahan from the party for 6 years. Bhushan has not been suspended. There is no FIR, no such cases going on. Everything is in Supreme Court. But when it comes to Sheikh Shahjahan, we have been targeted that we want to shield Sheikh Shahjahan. It is not fair. This is the National General Secretary of Trinamool Congress came in front and they said that strictness has to be shown by West Bengal police, and Sheikh Shahjahan arrested. I mean, why you have to turn the table when it's about Trinamool Congress?
Even
Why
the-
such biasness? Why such
Even
selfishness
the
when it's about Trinamool
Kolkata
Congress?
High Court.
We are doing
Listen,
our job.
Tausif, you know that
We are
I'm not a
doing our
channel
job.
that bats for the BJP, है ना? You are aware of that.
understand.
I look at try and look at things from the prism of neutrality. My point to you is, as someone neutral sitting in a Delhi studio, or someone sitting in Lucknow, or someone sitting in Bangalore, is looking at things and saying, "Dal mein kuch kala hai." And when you are telling me that we arrested Sheikh Shahjahan, please, you only arrested after the Calcutta High Court asked you to do it. And what did they say about your CID and police? That they are most biased. That is what the Calcutta High Court said, most biased to the Calcutta police.
This is the reason when the court asked us to stay away from the investigation, and this stay on the investigation was coming from ED. I will just completely read out one thing from the investigation from the court. Therefore, till the appeals are heard and disposed, orders direction issued by the learned single bench in the impugnant order date 17 January 2024 shall remain stayed until further notice. It goes without saying that the West Bengal Police State shall also be restrained from proceeding with the investigation in the cases which have been listed by them. Now, second, this order exemplifies how the Calcutta High Court has restrained
Again,
law
the same
enforcement.
story. We've already had this discussion 2 days ago. Tausif, ye ho gaya. This discussion has happened 2 days ago. No, your hands were not tied. You were fibbing. But anyhow, let Kia Ghosh come in.
We have to let the people know as well.
नहीं, ये